G'day, I'm with Duminda, application engineer with 3M. Hi Duminda.
Hi Grant.
I can see we've got your range of structural adhesives here. Tell me a little bit about them.
Yes, so 3M structural adhesives can be divided into three different families. You have epoxies, you have acrylics and urethanes.
Excellent, so I can see you've got the range pretty well covered there. So typically what's the advantage of using a 3M structural adhesive?
So with 3M structural adhesives, you can get structural strength and you can replace mechanical fasteners and welding. So your nuts, rivets, bolts and tag welding and things like that can be replaced by using a 3M structural adhesive.
Well, thinking about the process there of tack welding or riveting, I imagine there's an additional cost there, there's impacts on energy, there's impacts on labour, so the savings are quite significant, I imagine.
Yes, that's right. And don't forget that it's lightweight as well. So by welding or by adding screws, you are adding more to the metal weight. Whereas by using adhesive, you are creating a more lightweight material.
It's a really smarter way of going about it, I think.
Yes,
So
right.
typically, what industry will we see a 3M structural adhesive?
A good example would be in the manufacture of golf clubs.
Well, now you got my interest because I like golf.
Yes. So now, what happens with a golf club is you have the club and then you have the shaft that's been bonded together, right? And typically you would use a structural adhesive. You can't use a mechanical fastener because what would happen is it'll come off with time. Now, by using a 3M DP420, you get really good impact resistance and high strength.
Fantastic. Well, there's some significant advantages there already. So if you want to drive your ball maybe just a little bit further and hopefully just a little bit more straight, reach out to any one of over 100 Motion Australia branches.